And then also AI automation tools and team management software now are ways to lessen the stress of your team and to so what I'm getting at here is view these tools as team building, right? This is how you get stuff done more quickly, more easily, right? Is by investing in AI automation and team management software. And for those tools to work effectively, you got to work them into your process. So if you try to buy a tool to solve a problem that you haven't solved yet, it's not going to work. You have to use a tool to implement a solution that you've already come up with. Okay, so like if you're trying to buy AI that writes content, if you think you're going to buy this AI and it's going to write all your content for you, you're going to be really frustrated. But if you've got patterns and processes and this is how I write content, and the AI simply does your strategy, guess what? You just took like a 6-hour content writing process and turned it into like a 30-minute process. Now either you can do that or a team member can do that in 30 minutes, right? So use these tools to implement solutions you've already come up with. Makes your job easier and makes staff more affordable.